Hi, this is Kevin Battersby with BattersbyGolf.com in Coconut Creek, Florida. Let's talk about picking clubs for beginning golfers. Number one, you want to make sure you have a set that has the right shaft flex and the right components for your clubs. If you're a beginning golfer, you probably want to get graphite shafts, as I have here. What that graphite shaft does is make the club lighter overall, but actually the head is heavier. So what you're hitting the golf ball with has more weight to it, gives a better bang for your buck. Okay? Then, in addition to the graphite, you want to try to get titanium with your heads. The titanium allows for a larger sweet spot and moves the sweet spot higher and helps get the ball up in the air a little bit higher. Now, titanium is recommended for your driver. I don't recommend titanium for your fairway woods. In my hand, I have a smaller profile. What titanium advantage is that it provides a bigger head, so when you're teeing the ball up, that's not a big deal. But when you're hitting a golf shot off the fairway, I'm not recommending titanium. I'm recommending going back to the old standard. This is an old TaylorMade. The profile of this club is very low, helps get the ball up in the air higher, and probably the greatest company for that is probably Adams Company. They make the fairway woods and the woods with a lower profile. For the novice golfer, that's going to get the ball up in the air easier than it would for a conventional club. In addition to that, I have a hybrid here for your novice golfers, and wouldn't even say for novice golfer, even the pros today, to take advantage of the technology out there. Instead of hitting, this is 17 degrees, you don't see anybody with a 1-iron out there anymore. This is the equivalent of a 1-iron, but because of this profile and head, helps even the professional get a better hit with a little larger face.